Do, 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 do. I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Christy.
And for the next year or so, we will be watching
Every episode of Star Trek The Next Generation.
all 176 of them. And every time we watch a new episode, we will vlog about it and give our comments on the video. So obviously, there's gonna be spoilers.
If you want, you can watch them with us in order, and that way, when you see the video, you'll know what we're talking about.
Unless you've already watched all 176 episodes.
In which case, congratulations. Or if you're just one of those people who wants to watch it but doesn't have the time, just watch us, and we'll recap.
The thing about Christy and me is that we have always wanted to watch all the episodes of Star Trek The Next Generation.
But we just haven't gotten around to it.
Until now! What we're anticipating is 3 episodes a week and 1 Klingon word of the week. We're going to comment on the episodes, comment on each other's videos, and do fun things like write songs,
Reenact things,
have Klingon words of the week,
and hopefully
end up at Comic-Con 2010
knowing what we're talking about. So we're going to start hopefully next week with episode 1, Encounter at Farpoint, and make our way to the very last episode.
We advise everyone who's going to watch these videos to watch the episodes along with us.
Join in the fun.
Our major goal is to know every episode of The Next Generation and know everything we can about Star Trek.
Obviously excluding the original.
But obviously we don't really have time to watch William Shatner.
We'd much rather watch
Patrick
Stewart.
We're gonna make 2 intro videos, about a minute long, just explaining what we know so far about Star Trek, what we like so far about Star Trek, and what we're expecting out of the next year. So, by next Monday,
If you're following along with us.
if you're following along with us, watch Encounter at Farpoint, and we'll be discussing it next week. Christy, is it sad that we are so extremely excited about watching Star Trek?
No, I don't think so.
I don't either.
What is it, Farpoint or
Fairpoint.
Okay. So we're going to start, hopefully, next week with episode 1, Encounter at
Fairpoint.
I keep wanting to say that. So we're going to start, hopefully, next week with episode 1.
Hold on. Farpoint.
Oh my god!